Hi everyone, welcome dear friends to our channel. In this video, we will talk about how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on any iPhone. But before we start, be sure to friends subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to put your likes, and also please write your comments. Well, let's get started. And this is actually a very simple, quick process. In order for you to enable Do Not Disturb mode, first try the first method. You will need to, from the right side of your screen from top to bottom, swipe down. Now friends, find the focus section here, click on it, and just select the Do Not Disturb option. This is how you will enable this mode. If, for example, you want to customize this mode permanently so that it will turn itself on at a certain time, this is very easy to do. To do this, open the settings. In the settings, you will need to scroll down to the focus section. Now select at the top Do Not Disturb. And look, scroll down a little bit. Click on this timeline here. And as you can see, you'll be able to easily customize the days as well as the times in which Do Not Disturb will work. Once you've set the days and times at the top, turn this button on so that Do Not Disturb mode will automatically turn on automatically. This is the method you will quickly and easily, dear friends, turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. I really hope you found the video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put a like and comment. See you soon.